Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anam. I'm an art teacher, so I would like to share with you about watercolor technique. So today I'm going to share one of the technique that most students would like to ask about wet on wet. So in watercolor we have four techniques. First is wet on wet, wet on dry, dry on dry, dry on wet. Okay, so you can try that one by watching this video and then you can practice it. So I will share with you. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. First of all, you need to draw a basic shape of a cat. So I will use wet on wet to this body of this cat. After you draw with the pencil, you need to put water. So the technique is about wet on wet is we put some water first on the paper and then we take the pigment is also much of water and then we just put it over there by just tapping. After that one, you may add two kind of color. I choose the orange and black color. So while it's still wet, it will automatically mix by itself. Another example, I put some water on the paper again. So just make it wet. And then after that one, I'm going to use watercolor paint to put it on wet paper. So I'm going to use three color and let's see. The next example is about a tree. So I will draw the basic shape of tree, simple basic shape of tree, and then I use the technique still about wet on wet. So I will put some water first and then I will add the green color for the leaves by using the light one first, and then after that one I will choose the dark green to put on light green. So while it's still wet, it will become mixed it together while it's still wet. This is the result of wet on wet technique. So the color it mixed well over here. Okay, that is my video about wet on wet. So is it easy? You can try it at your home. Okay, so the next part is talking about wet on dry. So you can check that video. I will put the link in my description under over here. So check over there and then you can go to the second video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, give a like and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, everyone.